I've been testing out the De'Longhi Dinamica espresso machine. This is a super automatic espresso machine, and that means that it will take over everything from grinding your coffee beans to dosing, tamping, and discarding the grinds. You control everything via the touch screen, and it will froth your milk right in the LatteCrema Milk Frother. There are a lot of different options on the De'Longhi Dinamica, including you can make cappuccino, espresso, you can make espresso macchiatos, you can make flat whites, you can brew 2 shots at one time, and this machine will even offer you a true brew over ice. So that's just iced coffee made straight from ground beans. I love how there is a water reservoir on the side and that you can remove the water reservoir to fill it up so you can just take it straight to the sink. This is one of the only machines I've ever seen that has an option to use whole beans or ground coffee. So that little flap there is what you would place ground coffee in if you just wanted to make a cup of coffee. Or you can use whole beans and use the conical burr grinder that's built into this machine. So all you have to do is pop the back open and pour in your beans, and you can adjust the grind level just by turning that dial. Here's a look at the menu on the De'Longhi Dinamica. There are so many different options. They're all touch screen, and you can customize your beverages based on how strong you'd like them to be or how hot you'd like your water to be. The My Menu lets you save all of your favorite beverages to the menu, so if you have them customized, you can just go back and choose My Latte, and it will be exactly the way you'd like it. It's nice that you can adjust the water temperature on this machine because there are a lot of people who really like to have it very, very hot when they're making espresso. And there are different tweaks that you can use within the machine to customize your iced coffee, or if you just want to choose from the drinks menu and you just want to make a quick latte, you can do that too. You can remove the LatteCrema Milk Frother. You can store it in the fridge if you want to store your milk in the fridge in between uses. You can also switch that milk frother out for a hot water dispenser, and then you can just dispense hot water. The LatteCrema system at work, it is on max settings for foam, so you can see it has quite a head of foam on it, and it does a great job. This is just whole milk, and you can see that it comes out extremely thick. There's nothing you have to do to make your drink other than choose something on the menu that you'd like to make and place your cup underneath the milk frother. The milk frother works first, so it will froth your milk, pour it into the cup, and then the espresso shot will be extracted. Every drink I made in this machine turned out great. There was no issue at all with burnt shots that maybe that I would have pulled if I was using a manual machine. It just makes everything very easy. It's a little bit different than some of the other espresso machines you may have seen or used. It has a very short milk wand, and it uses a pump like a straw that pulls the beverage up, or the milk up, from the bottom of the container and ejects it into a variable level of foam. So you can choose the kind of foam that you want to use on the dial. And you can use any kind of milk with this system. So I've used oat milk, almond milk, and this is eggnog. With a double shot of espresso, it makes a great eggnog cappuccino. One of the coolest things about this machine is how it will make a true brew over ice. So all you have to do is tap the true brew over ice setting. You can choose your aroma, and then the machine will get to work. Freshly ground iced coffee tastes amazing, and this machine did a great job. When you're finished making your drinks, to clean this machine, all you have to do is remove the grinds container and dump it out. It will also automatically purge your milk steamer. So if you'd like to purge that, it'll prompt you to do so, and you just turn the dial to clean and it will clean it. One of the reasons why people choose super automatic espresso machines is because they do all of the work for you. And the DeLonghi Dinamica is no exception to that rule. It does everything and it makes it so easy to make espresso. There's no learning curve, there's nothing to clean out or tamper dose, and you pull the perfect shot every single time. The other benefit of this machine is that it's also a coffee maker, so if you'd like to use your own coffee grinds and just brew up a cup of coffee, you can do that too. I really enjoyed using the DeLonghi Dinamica, and I would really recommend it to anybody who wants to bring home an espresso machine but doesn't want to have to take on the process of learning how to make the perfect shot of espresso or any of the custom coffee drinks that you like to drink at your local coffee shop. That's it for my look at the DeLonghi Dinamica espresso machine. You can see my full review of this amazing machine on Best Buy Canada's blog.